Now what's your illusion?
I'm going to swallow this phone.
Okay.
Jeez, just sit down perfectly.
Watch.
Holy shit, amazing.
Oh,
I swallowed the phone.
Oh my god, I was like sitting right here, like, oh, the phone went down her throat. Oh, you do it.
I can bring it back up too. Watch.
Oh my god.
It didn't.
Oh my god.
It doesn't have any mucus on it.
Stop it.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
How'd you do that? I know, it's magic.
Why didn't your fern burn up in your stomach?
However, I was a surprised audience.
Oh, I want to do the stupid illusion.
No, Locus, stop doing that.
How do you do it?
See, you can do it. Anybody can do it.
The devil.
Really? The devil's spawn?
Well.
Slow motion.
Oh, that's
No.
Is that magic trick still going on?
No.
No, we didn't go. Bye.
Why are you still taping it? Filming
It's
it.
a magical little Perodon.
Hey, cat, could you show me
Amanda?
Charlie the
You're a
unicorn?
marsupial.
Marsupial.
Milanakis. Yo, Milanakis, what up?
Ceiling.
What up, little Billy? How do you do, like, that was really cool.
All you do is this. You put one finger on one side, one finger on one side.
Reaction time.
Mm-hmm.
I can count to two also, look.
1, 2.
No, let's see what you did. Let's see what you did. Let's see what you did. You went
I
like
don't
this.
have that reaction time.
Wow, you must be an idiot then.
No, slow motion. Slow motion.
Can I see that? Can I see that again? Oh shit, that's gangsta, son.
Oh.
I'm gonna try that again. I must get it.
Oh. Jesus.
I see something.
I see London.
I see France.
I
see my own underpants.
I see why his name's under. Are you still filming?
That was the stupidest thing you ever said in my life. Brown underpants. You wanna do another magic trick?
I'll do my magic angel.
Okay.
Ready, Frankie?
What?
This is your favorite. It's your favorite trick, remember?
What?
You got mad at me because you didn't know I wasn't telling you how I did it?
Oh yeah! Oh
Oh, that-
yeah!
That was gay.
No, she's just going to get the. She's just going to go get a bag and paper.
Yeah.
Is this on Chris Angel? Hold on. I want to do a magic trick. Here, give me one of the seeds.
Your mom can do a seed.
Look. No, actually, I don't need the seeds. Here. Film me. I do it. Go on. Don't yet. Over here.
No, Carafiel.
No, look. Look at my hand. I'm not going to move at all.
Ah!
Look, I'm not going to move at all. I learned this trick when I was like 2.
I don't care.
Carry on, please.
I know how to do that.
Make your
Don't chuck. Ah!
I just threw a foot at you.
You threw a flip flop.
Yeah, dude. But look, I go like this, keep my flat hand on it, and my friends think I move out of the way. Woo!
Ah! Oh my god.
Big watch cat.